Well, it's 24 degrees today, and this is where it's going to stay just about all day long. But since I'm a glutton for punishment in the cold, we're going to take the ferry up north and go to a park that's right at one of the ferry stops. It's going to be awesome and cold, but awesome. If you're just finding this channel, I pick out places in New York City to go explore, and I take you with me. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't already. So now we're on our way to the ferry dock. Let's go. It snowed on Sunday, first snow of the season. It was beautiful, and it's still kind of nice, sort of winter wonderlandy. So remember, we're near Carl Schurz Park. Gracie Manor's right there. Triborough Bridge, we're gonna go under that in a minute. Ferry dock is right over there. One of the nice things is there's not really much wind today, so it may not be that cold, which means I may be overdressed because I was anticipating a lot of wind. Anyway, ferry should be here in about 5 minutes. Still a lot of snow up here apparently. Over here we got Randall's Island, and we're about to go into the Triborough Bridge and the Hell's Gate Bridge. Check out that skyline, that's incredible. LaGardia Airport's right over there. Rikers Island is just in front of it. So right now we're passing something called North Brother Island. It's off limits now. It used to be the site of an old hospital. It's also where that big boat fire, the Slocum, I believe it was, killed a couple thousand people. But you can see the abandoned buildings in there. There's some people on YouTube who sneak over there and explore. It looks pretty cool. There's Rikers Island right there. We're coming up on the Frog's Neck and the Whitestone bridges, and the park we're going to is just before those. And if you couldn't tell, we're in the approach path for landing at LaGardia. Well, here we are. Welcome to the Bronx. So a few things here. I may have overestimated how much I'd be able to do in these parks with this much snow in the ground. That's point one, but we'll give it a good go ahead, and I will try not to slip and hurt myself. And point two kind of goes along with that. I think I wore the wrong shoes. They are waterproof, but they're not really like snow boots. But those may be the only points right now. But let's walk around for a minute here. But this is the first little park here. It's where the ferry landing is. It's called Clason Point Park. It's not very big, and there are lots of planes, but there are great views here. So let's go have a look. So this is the second to last stop on the ferry line. The ferry goes up one more stop to Ferry Point Park, which is right under the Whitestone Bridge, and then it comes back here and heads back in the other direction. So this is where we'll get it later too. So Ferry Point Park is right over there. We've done that before actually. We took the ferry over there a couple seasons ago. Check out that episode if you haven't seen it. By the way, I'm not sure I was supposed to be sitting up on the top. I think it might have been closed, but someone had ripped down the plastic barrier. So I just walked by. There were some ice patches up there, so I could see how it might have been dangerous for people who were unsure on their feet. Anyway. So interestingly, there's a boat wreck out there. It's old and historic probably, but I'm not sure what it is. We saw it in the Ferry Point episode. It's still there, as it may have been for like 100 years. Well, not 100 years, maybe 50 years, maybe 75 years. I don't actually know. All right, so there are actually two more parks over here, but they're not connected to this one. We got to walk through the little neighborhood here. So let's head toward one of them now. It seemed kind of small and it may not be taken care of very well, particularly in snow situations like this. So I don't know what we're actually going to see there. But then there's another one we can also go to. I was going to do it on a separate day because it's nice and big. But if this next one's a failure, then maybe we'll just go over to the other one. Let's see. Looks like there's a little bit more to this park, so we can walk up and around a little bit further before we head into the neighborhood. Looks nice and icy though. It's kind of weird to see kind of new cookie cutter-ish houses in New York, because I don't see those much anymore up here. But here are some. I mean, this might be a cool place to live. It's right on the ferry dock, so you can get into the city very easily. And you're in the Bronx, so you're in the city, but you're kind of not in the city up here. But you are, you know. Abandoned microwave, abandoned boat. All right, I keep getting distracted by the views. I gotta keep going. It's an interesting neighborhood, kind of typical outer borough neighborhood, but it's got a boating feel to it, sort of a nautical theme. Definitely in the flight path right here. This is kind of a through street, but there's not really a sidewalk. Maybe there is, but nobody shoveled it, so walking in the street. All right, here's the second park, the Pugsley Creek Park. Check it out. This may be as much as we do today. I think I'll save the third park, the Sound View Park, for another episode. Just too much walking back and forth here. So a lot of this appears to be fenced off, so I'm not sure what we're going to see here. It is, however, a nice walk along a snowy path, regardless. This will be moderately disappointing if this park is just a path. Huh. All right, there's another entrance. The path that we're on keeps going that way. I'm hopeful we're going to round this bend and there will actually be something there. Let's find out. I mean, this is pretty. I think this is where all the pictures I saw on the internet were from. It's deceiving though, because you can't actually go down by the creek. We're on this deck here, and it's all fenced off over there as we were walking by it. It does keep going up this way. There's another bend, so let's go see. A couple traffic barrels and a shopping cart down there. That's nice. I hear kids screaming in that building. It must be a school. So I just looked at the map, and I'm trying not to slip on ice, but park bends up and around that inlet that we were just standing next to. So there's more to it. It's 11 o'clock right now, so the next ferry just arrived and is leaving, so we have until 12 now. So let's walk up here, see if there's anything else to see, and then we'll head back to the ferry. So we just walked around the other side and around the bend over here, and now we're heading back this way. And again, all this middle part where the inlet is fenced off. So we'll keep going up here and see what we find. This is nice and icy over here. My hopes for some amazing reveal at the end are beginning to dim. I think it may just be this. But let's finish it off. I mean, this would probably be more beautiful if we were off in the woods somewhere. But the reality is I'm right next to a street, and I keep slipping. So ideally, this will end with a sweeping view of the inlet and the bridges and just be beautiful. That would be ideal. I don't know if that's what's going to happen, though. It may just end. Hey, look at that. That ugly fence in the middle ended and it opened up. That's much better. Now we can actually see the inlet. And the fence is back. Oh well, let's keep going. This is a different park. It didn't have a different name on the map. I guess we've walked around and now we're in a different park. There's like a nice seating area over here. Inlet's over there. It looks like things end here, but you can walk down that way. So let's go. Well, this is nice. You can see that old boat wreck over there. And then if you weren't looking into the sun, you could see the park on the point where the ferry landed over there. I'm not sure how much I want to do here because now it's 11:20 and I still got to walk back. And I don't want to miss the 12 because then I got to wait till 1. Some evidence of sledding fun here. There's an exit right there, but it looks like on the map it doesn't go that much farther this way, so let's push on. One real question is, what does this look like not in snow? Maybe I'll have to come back. Look at that, the end was near. And this is a nice view before we got to walk back. All right, now I'm gonna walk back as quickly as I can without falling. And I'm probably not gonna film much because it will look the same as it did on the way over here. So let's go. We're out of the park. Straight shot down this street, pretty much, and we'll be at the ferry dock. Let's go. The to and from on this park are not the most exciting, and I'm overdressed, so I'm hot. All right, I can see the dock right down there. I just turned my head to look at a plane flying overhead and almost ate it on the ice. It's nice. All right, but this last patch of sidewalk is clear, so we're good to go. All right, we made it back to the ferry dock. 5 minutes to spare, but I am hot. I can see the ferry just pulling out from the last stop over there, and it's gonna come back this way. I'm back up to the east side. Nice ferry ride. After being so hot from walking, it was pretty cold up top on the way back. Anyway, nice parks too. Different. If you're just finding this channel, be sure to check out all the rest of the episodes already available up to the east side on YouTube. Like and subscribe. Look for new episodes every Friday. Thanks for coming with me to explore New York City. I'll see you next time.